5 surprisingly affordable 4-star hotels in New York. In this episode, we will discuss Plaza Manhattan, Times Square, Courtyard New York Manhattan, Midtown West, Hyatt Grand Central New York, Park Central Hotel New York, and the High Line Hotel. Think New York is too expensive? Think again. Today I'm revealing 5 surprisingly affordable 4-star hotels right in Manhattan. Luxury without the luxury price tag. Whether you're chasing Broadway, exploring Chelsea, or commuting through Grand Central, these picks give you comfort, style, and unbeatable locations. Let's dive in. 1. Plaza Manhattan, Times Square. Located just off Times Square and Broadway, this 29-floor hotel with 656 rooms opened in March 2016 and cost over $300 million to build. Ryu's first NYC property. But it sits on historic ground. Over 100 years ago stood the Hotel America, where a young Cuban immigrant, Alejandro Cortez, stayed in 1919. His journey inspired family legacy that echoes in the hotel story today. The decor channels New York's theatrical spirit from the lobby to the rooms, immersing you in Broadway vibes from check-in. Great amenities, clean rooms, free Wi-Fi, flat screens, AC, all under $300 per night when booked smart. Why it's a steal? Steps from Times Square, wide selection of room types, modern style with theatrical flair, great for theater lovers and first-timers. 2. Courtyard New York Manhattan, Midtown West. A Marriott Courtyard brand located in Midtown West, well located near Penn Station, Hudson Yards, and Times Square. Usually, rates hover in the affordable 4-star range, often under $300 a night if booked off-peak or midweek. Offers gym, business center, bright rooms, practical layout, ideal for staying central without overspending. Quick note, not historic, but reliable, comfortable, and perfect for travelers who want central with consistency. 3. Hyatt Grand Central New York. Timeless location at 109 East 42nd Street, directly above Grand Central Terminal, adjacent to the MetLife Building and Chrysler Building. Staying here gives you instant access to trains, subways, and Midtown sites. Classic Hyatt service with modern upgrades and amenities. Some rates dip under $300 per night in less busy seasons. Watch for special deals or weekday stays. Why choose it? Iconic location, seamless transit access, trusted hospitality brand, perfect for business or convenience-first travelers. 4. Park Central Hotel, New York. An Art Deco classic located at 870 7th Avenue, mere minutes from Carnegie Hall, Central Park, and Times Square. Frequently featured on Best Affordable Hotels list for offering strong value. Some rooms under $200 when booked ahead or off-season. Traditional recordings, solid amenities, reliable staff, and that unbeatable Midtown Manhattan walkable area. Standout. Historic charm, unbeatable location, consistently reviewed as one of the best budget-friendly 4-star hotels in Midtown. 5. The High Line Hotel. A boutique gem in Chelsea. Just steps from the High Line Park, the building began life in 1895 as a Gothic Revival seminary dormitory for the General Theological Seminary and only opened. Interiors by Roman and Williams mix antique rugs, restored stained glass, rotary-style phones, cozy fireplaces, and terrariums. Every corner feels like a Pinterest dream come true. With just 60 rooms, it's intimate and full of character, yet still surprisingly affordable for its design pedigree and location. Ideal for visitors craving boutique charm, historical ambiance, and creative energy, all while staying under budget. Bonus tips. Best times for deals. Late winter, January to March, or late fall, November at early December. Outside holidays and summer peaks. Book several months ahead for best rates. Look for midweek stays, Monday, Thursday, for all the motives prices. Use chain loyalty or membership promos, for example, IU Marriott, Hyatt, RIU class programs for extra discounts. Friendly. So, if you want help booking any of these hotels or need help planning your New York trip, attractions, or tickets, just email us at hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com. We'd love to make your NYC adventure seamless. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more surprising travel finds.